Don't shoot. She's unarmed. All she wants to do is chew on it.
She wants to chew on everything.
Been sick?
Huh?
Has he been sick?
No, she plucks her feathers, so she has to wear a collar.
That'll do that. That'll pluck her feathers out.
She found something to chew on.
Corkie. Come on, Corkie.
What bird is that?
Goffin Cockatoo.
Has he got a jacket on, or is that?
She's got a little sweater because she plucks her feathers, so she doesn't have any feathers. She wants to be with me.
That's cute.
Going for a walk. She's going for a walk. Oh, she's doing the bunny hop. Oh, she's doing the bunny hop. Come on, Cookie. Cookie. Yeah. Oh boy. She's going for a walk.
Well, let her go. Why you bring her back?
Because I don't want to take her too far.
You got a leash.
I know. Come on, Corkie. There she goes.
Oh, what's the cone on her head for?
She plucks her feathers. So to prevent her to kind of sort of not pluck all her feathers, she has the cone on. And she's got a sweater because she's plucked a lot of her feathers off her body. So.
See, I thought it was a puppy.
Oh, no.
She's like, I'm gonna go this way.
And of course,